Caribbean Dream Select is the latest line of teas from Jamaica Teas. Let's hear more in our lifestyle segment.
Select is the brand that we hope to push us even further than we already are. It's a more youthful brand. It's a brand that is going to take us to another level. It's these fruit-flavored infusions that is a little bit different than what we've been doing previously. Normally, we've been very into the health aspect and hoping that people will go out and do their own research and find it. But now we want to push a lot more of the taste aspect, so it's good for your soul, not just your body.
Who are you targeting, huh?
I mean, tea is good for everybody. Tea is the second most consumed beverage in the world after water. There is no bad demographic for tea. So, but if we're pushing it, you know, the millennials, the youthful people, people young and what, just but anybody who's looking for good taste, this tea is perfect for them. There's no wrong answers.
Essence about drinking tea and drinking it regularly.
The essence of drinking tea. I mean, when you drink tea, it's just a warm feeling that envelops you. It covers you when you're feeling down. It's something to help you wake up in the morning. Even if it's not caffeinated, it really enlivens you, brings you up. But it's not just that. Iced teas are wonderful. They're refreshing. They cool you down on a hot day. I can't tell you the amount of sports events I've been to with iced teas, and it just sell off because people love it. And you can make it out of any herbal iced tea that you can think of. It's not just the black tea or the green tea you used to. It's sorrel iced tea. It's our new select lines of chocolate mint truffle, which I was surprised to find how good it was when I made it the first time. So really, it's just trying new things and, I don't know, letting it see what happens. The largest manufacturers of teas in the Caribbean. Right? They were second to none. And Tetley has been a staple for such a long time. That is a brand that is so well known that it pretty much sells itself. Caribbean Dreams is our baby. It's something that we started, we grew, we pushed. And we are very surprised at how well people have taken to it, right? It's the stuff that your grandmother used to pluck from the garden and put in your teapot and brew for you to make you feel good. We just made that process a little easier, brought it to your house, put it in your cupboard so you can do that anytime. I mean, we're already in about 20 markets, so we export all through the Caribbean. We export to the UK, Canada, we export all through the States. So our exports are actually the fastest growing part of our business currently, and it's being adopted very well everywhere.
There's more coming up on the flip side of this commercial break. I'm on the rock.
Our spirit is proud. Our spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Nephew, our spirit